Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading session dated Thursday 19th of May. And I'm recording this video just gone 5 past 10 in the evening New York time on Thursday the 19th. This is my main wave count for the S&P on a daily chart, and it's still expecting further upwards movement. If we have any further downwards movement, I would expect again for it to be finding strong support at the lower edge of this parallel channel here on the daily chart, drawn from 1 to 3 and then a copy on 2. The target remains the same. I expect upwards movement to continue probably into this target zone, where here C black will reach equality with A black, which is a common relationship between the two within a zigzag, and here 5 blue will reach equality with 3 blue. I will leave the invalidation point down here. Any further downwards movement for wave 2 green may not move beyond the start of wave 1. Although if we get a full daily candlestick below this channel, that's going to indicate a trend change at least at intermediate and probably at primary degree. Taking you now to my one and only wave count on the hourly chart today, with the high for 1 and the low for 2 down here. Here's the end of wave 1 green, and here's the big zigzag down for the second wave correction, sitting in its trend channel perfectly. We have had further upwards movement that we were expecting yesterday, and price has not quite reached the upper edge of this trend channel on the hourly chart, and it's already finding some resistance. We have a second wave correction here that is very brief and shallow, but when I look at this on the 15-minute chart, it is a complete zigzag. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse with some very good Fibonacci ratios in there. 5 and 1 are very close to equality, just 0.52 points off, and 3 is just 1.39 short of 1.618, the length of 1. So this is an almost textbook perfect impulse up. That it gives more confidence to the idea that we have had a trend change down here. Tomorrow, when markets open, we should not see any price movement below the start of wave 1 aqua within wave 3 purple. This wave count is invalidated with movement below 1336.36. When we have the next third wave up, should bring price above this trend channel, and when we have a full hourly candlestick above this channel on the hourly chart, and that may happen tomorrow, then we will have our final confirmation that we have indeed had a trend change down here and we're in a third wave upwards. 3 green will reach 1.618, the length of 1 green, at 1392.77. So I'm expecting further upwards movement, and if it does move any lower, it hasn't got much room to move in. I would expect actually no price movement below this point, but I'll leave the option open just in case the second wave is going to extend further sideways as a combination. I can see that possibility with these structures on the 15-minute chart, and if that happens, then this would be our invalidation point. It's very close by. So as expected at the beginning of the week, despite having a first day stumbling start, we have had further upwards movement from the S&P this week, and it should continue. It should continue for a few weeks. That's all for me today with your S&P analysis, and I hope that everyone else is looking forward to a most fabulous weekend.